Hi.
Hi, peoples.
So, what are we going to talk about today?
I just came back from Florida.
Joy.
I don't like you.
I love me.
I don't.
No one cares what you like.
Obviously.
Not.
No.
Yes. You hit me, I'll hit you back.
I shall smack you. What you looking at, you funny looking turd?
What if he just turned around?
Ow!
I thought you were gonna bite me.
I would hate you too.
You are stupid beyond belief.
Hi, peoples. You see this abusive thing right here? Y'all need to whoop her. Y'all need to stop watching her web shows.
Dude, only like 7 people watch, I think, so far.
I'm gonna cry.
Good, it'd be funny.
You and your...
I did that? Oh my god.
Look what she did to me.
I can't tell if I can see it.
Yes, they can see it.
Dude, I did that just now?
Yes.
My nails aren't even that long.
I'm telling my mama.
Apparently they're not long, but they're sharp.
I'm telling my mama. This she gonna whip your booty. And then I'ma laugh.
I'm not scared. My dad's military, my mom's HPD, and my brother's going to be FBI. So what?
I really don't care. See how big my daddy is?
You see
So
how big
what?
my brother is?
Yeah, my daddy 3 times. What?
He's only like, he's not even a full times. He's big.
Okay,
He can't.
but my daddy got brothers. So it's my daddy
Dude.
3 times.
My mom has 6 brothers. My dad has like 3. Huh. Ah.
No, it just came up. Airport's over there. I'm telling on you.
It's an accident.
No, it wasn't.
I didn't mean to pierce skin.
Look what she did to me. Y'all see that? That's what she did to me. I'm telling on her.
Alright, I'll let that one go.
I'm gonna go get my dog. He's gonna bite your big toe.
Oh, then I'll get my dog. He'll bite. Well, he'll just swallow your dog.
Shut up. I'm gonna...
What?
You ready?
4.
Get some booty action.
I'm sorry you had to see that. I'm really, honestly, truly sorry you had to see
Shut up,
that.
Michaela.
I know now all of you watching this must be scarred for life.
Hey, it must be the booty because there is no beauty, so shut up. On you.
What?
Ow!
I didn't even do anything.
Ow!
You're just pretending now.
Abuse.
It's not abuse.
What?
It's self-defense from your disgusting, hideous feet.
Your feet are hideous. Ow! Let me go, you beast.
I'm not a beast.
First of all, that doesn't even hurt.
That's not supposed to hurt.
You beast. Ow! That hurts, because that's my tender spot.
Yeah, I know. If I was trying to hurt you, I could very easily.
Okay, let me go, but I smack you now. Come on, let's be friends. Let me go.
I'm like a ninja. Oh, you like it, huh?
That's all cushion, baby. So what you do?
More cushion.
Ew, get off me, you ugly beast. Ow!
I'm not the ugly one in this relationship.
Shut up. There's no relationship.
We have a very odd relationship.
There's no relationship. Shut up.
There's a relationship between anyone that talks. Now, how the relationship is varies. There's a white truck.
I don't like you.
In your opinion, does not matter.
Why are you at my house? Go home.
Well, I got kicked out again.
Bye, loser.
Bye, ho. Bo. I said ho, Bo.
Bye.
I'll be back with her later. What? You want me back? Why do you want me back all of a sudden? You need a what? Did you say a homo, a hobo, or a hoe? Did you say a hobo, a homo, or a hoe? Hobo?
Nope.
If you're smart, you would have.
No, I wouldn't have. Dad, get your ugly hands off. Oh, gosh.
Excuse you?
I said, gosh.
Before that?
I said, ow, oh, gosh.
Before that?
Ho. Wait, okay, lighten up. I didn't say it. I said.
There's a fly in your hand?
I said.
It's still there. Okay, I got it.
I said, homo. That's exactly what I said. Ow! 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 Look, put the thing on me. Look at this. She has implants in my nose. Ow!
I did it again.
I'm gonna punch you, big boob.
Your boobs are bigger.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
Dude, yes, they are.
No, they're not.
Okay. Not even gonna argue. Oh, see ya. Ah! That